Step-by-step tutorial on changing file types in Windows 11. Want to learn how to change file types in Windows 11? Here's a quick and easy guide. Step 1. Enable file extensions. Open File Explorer. Click on the View tab. Select Show greater than file name extensions to make extensions visible. Step 2. Rename file extension. Right-click the file, select Rename. Change the extension, for example, .txt to .docx. Click Yes when prompted. Step 3. Save files in a new format. Open the file in its app. Click File greater than Save As. Choose a format like .pdf or .jpg and save. Step 4. Use conversion software. Use tools like Cloud Convert or VLC Media Player. Upload the file, choose the new format, and convert. File renaming keeps your data organized, and tools like Easy File Renamer, EFR, make the process effortless. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.